One thing about being a celebrity, Sana, you can't even rest in peace. Like, people can't just leave you alone, you know? You will be famous even when you are no longer on earth. Like, it's really heartbreaking. I just feel for AKA's child to be seeing people now talking about her dad while the dad is just resting. Nje. It's really so sad. So, guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this channel, I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. If you are new here, please do not leave without subscribing. Today, we are talking about UAKA and Uanele Tembe. So, for those who don't know, these two were in a relationship that ended so badly, very, very badly. So, ENCA, the news outlet ENCA, released a footage of what happened on the day of Uanele Tembe, who was said to have committed suicide allegedly. So I really don't understand why they are releasing the footage now. It's been like 2 years since we lost to AKA, and it's been over, I think maybe 5 years, if I'm not mistaken, since we lost to Anele Dembe. So I'm just confused. Why are they releasing the footage now, and why were they quiet all along? So after Anele Dembe lost her life to allegedly committing suicide, people have been speculating that UAKA was assassinated by Anele Dembe's father, allegedly. So this is what they posted on Twitter: killing Keenan Forbes because he kept making hits and enjoying life after a murder he did not commit is crazy. People are still suggesting that Anele Tembe's father had something to do with AKA's death, because AKA was blamed for Anele Tembe, that she committed suicide. People were saying that nope, Ukel did not commit suicide. AKA knows what happened. And then it was an ongoing battle, Kesana. But nje, it's really so sad that they are deciding to talk about this now. This is what AKA's dad wrote on Instagram, because ENCA wrote ukuthi they are going to release the footage on Sunday. So this is what he wrote before receiving the footage. He said, "Bring it. I am tired of this shit. When the dust settles, let's see who stands where. You are being paid to perpetuate a narrative which will be proven to be based on being paid to run lies. Go for it. Can't wait for Sunday." So this was when they were saying that the footage will be released on Sunday. And he also wrote, "Whose mouthpiece are you? Which is paying you? Be careful what you wish for the truth will come out. Bring what you have." So with what he wrote here, Ubabata aka Tony Forbes, he is alleging that ENCA is being paid by someone to just spread these rumors and spread a narrative that was not there. So now there was chats that were leaked of Anele Tembe's father and AKA. Guys, these chats are just showing that Anele Tembe had mental issues. Anele Tembe had mental problem issues. And as you can see on the chats, AKA was always trying to just report to the dad, but hey, this person has started again. She's making a scene. She's threatening to get everyone fired. This person is doing this and that. And the dad would just answer with one text, nje, not taking him serious. Now that she has decided to unalive herself, now you are there trying to blame AK, as if you didn't know that your child had issues, guys. Like, it's really so sad. You can see from the chats, if these are real chats though, because people are also saying on social media, go see these chats are fabricated. Hey, kuningi sana. But AKA has been trying, reporting, saying that Anele Tembe has not been taking her medication. So she was taking depression medication allegedly. So maybe she stopped taking the medication and she started having those scenes. A lot has been happening, and people are also saying that apparently, allegedly, Anele Tembe's mother also unalived herself. So it could be umkhokha. People are saying, no, something is really wrong with that family. Let us not blame AKA.